In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security section. Security and privacy here. Then scroll to tap on device unlock and click on screen lock. Finally select one of those login methods. Pattern, PIN or password. Then create it, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Now select confirm. Finally click on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Then hit done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!